What do you envision when the day begins? To be an architect is to design the future. To push boundaries and explore limitless possibilities. At Adicon, we understand your journey. Presenting Techstone, a collection crafted for the visionaries. With 7 distinct designs, each with full body, with salt and pepper body. To synchronize design with the body to create exact stone feel for the first time in ceramic industry. In 1600 by 3200 millimeter dimensions, with 12 millimeter thickness, with digital protective layer. A choice for architects. By architects, tailored for your clients and close to your heart. Techstone by Adicon.